did think it was a good idea.
Has it been fine?
No, we took us where a man with a gun was. If I were to tell you, me and Paul were out here riding blue and red bikes, you wouldn't expect these two, would you? Baguette 500. So yeah, me and Paul thought this would be the best place to go test these bikes at. My headlight even on? I think they have a new LED headlight for these things. Obviously, I don't have it. It feels nice in here. I bet it's like 70 degrees in here right now, maybe even cooler. Oh, it's going smaller. Oh, what are we doing? Definitely what the French had in mind when they built the Sherco 500. Tunnel riding in Dallas, Texas. I don't know if we can turn them around in here. Like, a slowly was way worse. Oh my God, it's so deep. It's so deep all of a sudden. This is so long. Well, it's getting smaller. I think the whole video could be this tunnel. I think I'm gonna have to put like a raw cut. Like listen, Link, you want to see how long this tunnel is? Just like uncut. I'll do a video just of this. This is crazy. Oh my God. Oh, what the f?
What?
Oh, my helmet.
Yeah, I know, but it flooded, right? Like halfway up here?
Yeah. That's why he's got 2 stories.
Yeah.
You let the sea choose you. I did think it was a good idea. I specifically text you. I was like, Paul, we can't do all the things you want to do. And you're like, nah, it'll be okay.
Has it been fine?
No, we took us where a man with a gun was and deep into the woods.
I got a 4-wheeler back in there. This one, it was running. Yeah. But I ride hard, bro. So yeah, you be ripping on it? I'll still the fucking the gear system.
Oh, there it goes. I don't know if we caught that in film, but Paul had us follow a guy with a gun to the woods, and we're both still here with our bikes. It's weird. I don't know how. I have my phone. You have your phone? You're never gonna drive up that.
Oh wait, watch out.
Okay.
Oh my nuts!
Hold the brake. Hold it, hold it steady. I'm gonna see something. I don't even think I can stand on this.
Oh yeah, it's like so steep.
I can't stand on this. No, I'm jumping off. Watch out.
It's not 30, is it? It's made of plywood and bolts.
It's not snow. No. There you go.
Going down worse.
I know. You got a skid plate?
Nope.
It is. That's Skynet in there. Quick, destroy it. Yeah. 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 Where's it? We should actually race somewhere. Like really race them.
All right, there, you call it.
All right, ready? We're gonna count 3. 1, 2, 3. Velcro's wearing out, I don't know.
Somebody else needs to do your tire.
The look at the front tires been doing burnouts.
Yeah, front tire does burnouts. It's their problem, right? It ain't my problem, it ain't your problem, it's their problem.
These Michelins aren't very good on river rockable throttle steering inputs in this. Paul up there does wheelies, but I mean, like us normal human beings. Look what I did.
What the heck? Lift that up with your hand?
Yeah.
You got some more.
Oh, that's good, that's good. Do you think I could use a slightly bigger rear sprocket?
Yeah.
So it's been a bit of fun here. I mean, we have an actual review of this bike I'm doing. It was just a bit of fun playing around. We had to know if it could actually do this kind of rides, you know, you never know. True Supermoto suspension, you'll drop it about 1.5 inches.
It's pretty nice though.
Sherco 500 is definitely a badass bike. Kind of want it. I want to give it back. Want to see a longer uncensored version of this video? That'd be over on Patreon. This thing is so hot. Jesus Christ, it's hot out here. There, it's just $1 a month. You can see all my videos, ad-free, uncensored, extended, the ones that we've extended. Not all of them are, quite a few of them are though. And join the Discord if you do that. If you do that.